Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected viewers, dear students, today is 29th of June 2020. Class and subject 10th English. Topic The Servant by S.T. Simino. School BHSS Khumral, Teacher Mohammed Nahangar. Page 139. The main characters of the play are Gerasim. He is from Moscow, the center of Russia. An old coachman of a merchant whose name is Yegor Danilich. An old servant who is very aged. He is servant of this merchant with whom Yegor Danilich works. What we are going to read, that is firstly about the Gerasim, who is from the Russia. Gerasim from Russia. He comes from a peasant family. He was a villager who lived in a village from his childhood. Now, Gerasim has always worked in the city of Moscow, the capital of Russia. When he was a little grown up boy, he left his village. He came to Moscow. Here he worked with a wine shop. Here he was washing the bottles for few years, washing the beer bottles for few years. But at present, what happens to him, we have to understand that Gerasim comes after a long time to Moscow for job. He comes to Moscow, but he does not find the job. So he goes at least for 3 or 4 months to his friends, to his relatives, to his old people, and goes to them and eats from them. He becomes burden for them. But Gerasim is not a nonsense boy. He is a conscious boy. He thinks that I have become burden for my friends. He daily goes to friends and relatives or to the rich people to get some job. But when he returns failure without any job. At last, he thinks that what will I do? What will happen to me? I have become a burden for these friends who are working in the Moscow. Now, one day, he meets his friend. What does he do for him? That we have to understand. He goes to his relatives, friends in his village, although some days he remains without food, he remains without water. He had been worked in his boyhood in Moscow in a wine shop where he washed bottles. Then he was called back to his village. He was called back to his village to join army, but he could not join the army. And after that, he came back to his master, who was in Moscow, where he worked for 2 years. But the master who was in Moscow had filled the job, has filled the place, and Gerasim did not find the job. So he remained idle, and this was a burden for him to not get a job, get not a position. After that, he went to every friend, every relative in Moscow to find the job. At last, he went to a friend whose name was Yeager. Yeager was servant of a rich man, servant of a rich man. Here he promises Jarasim that I will make the best to provide you a job. You shall come next day, and I will make my master motivated, and he will provide you a job. And this is by the help and suggestions of Yeager that he becomes happy and comes next day to get the job from his master, from his friend, and he was appointed as a coachman with his old friend. But what is the character and behavior of this Jarasim, the young man, that is to understand, which is very sympathetic, and that we will go to read tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala.